How to measure 100 milliliters accurately. Step-by-step guide.
Measuring liquids accurately is a crucial skill, whether you're in a lab, kitchen, or any scientific setting. Today, for measuring 100 milliliters accurately, beakers can give rough estimates but aren't reliable for precise work. A 100 milliliters graduated cylinder or a volumetric flask is ideal. Let's see how to measure exactly 100 milliliters with precision. Step 1. Place the measuring instrument on a flat, stable surface, while keeping your eye at the level of the measurement mark. Step 2. Pour the liquid slowly. The bottom of the meniscus should align exactly with the 100 milliliters mark, and that's it. Now you have 100 milliliters of water. Precision matters, whether in science or life. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and stay curious.